this example. So in this question, so in which year there was highest percentage of growth in production of cars? So for Ford company, number of cars produced in thousands is given. So we have in the x-axis years from 2009 to 2013, and in the x-axis we have the number of cars produced. So we are asked to find over all these years which year production was higher. And now which year the production will be higher? So here by seeing this data, it is very difficult to find. So you have to find the increase percentage, that is difference by the smaller value. So as I told earlier, using that format, you have to find the increase percentage for every year from 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12 and 12 to 13 using this data, and check which year the percentage is higher. And it takes time to do for every year, and I'll tell you how easily you can find the increase percentage. So which year the production was higher, that is increase percentage, so in which year it was higher. So we'll see the working. So when we see here, so the data given for 2009, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So we'll write down the data. So for 2009 it is 3160 and 2010 it is 3600 and for 2011 it is 2012 and 2013 it is 5760. So how to find the increase percentage over the previous year? We'll find the difference by the denominator, by the initial value into 100. And now we have to find the difference by the initial value into 100. And now we'll see what is the difference between all these values. So difference by what value it is more. So subtracting we get so 3600 minus 3160 it is 440, and for next 4378 minus 3600 and now finding the difference for 4880 and 4378. And now difference between years 2012 and 13 it is 80. So from 2009 to 2010, the increase is 440, and for the next 2 years it is 770. So this 2 years difference is 880. And in which year the increase is higher, we have to check. So when you check here, so 440 we have 778, so it is increase is more. And when you check over this year, the increase is 778, but it is 502. So increase is lesser than the previous year's increase. So we'll omit this year's working. So now we'll check for 440, 778, and when you check here 502, it is 880. And now we have to check which year percentage increase is more. So this 440 is over 31,160, and this 880 is for 4,880. So we have to check which year the increase is higher. And for checking here, and 778 is for 3,600. So you have to check for this 3 years. And when you check here, so we'll seeing this data, we may think that this is higher. So here it is 880 or 4,880, and here it is 778, 3,600. So in these 2 years, we have a confusion which year the percentage increase is higher. So when you check here, what is 10% of 4,880? That is 488. And when you find 20%, so it exceeds 960. So the value is lesser than 20%. So in this, what is 10%? 360. And when you double it, what is 20%? 720. So we have 778, which is more than 20%. So in this year, for 3,600, increase is 778. So when we check the percentage, it is more than 20%. And now for which year the increase is higher? It is for this 2011, increase is higher. So from 3,600, it has increased to 4,378. So the percentage increase is more than 20%. For all other years, it is less than 20%. So answer is for the year 2011, percentage increase is higher. So because here 10% 360 and 20% when we work out it is 720, where we have more than 720, that percentage increase is more than 20%. So just finding the difference and scanning out the percentages, we can see which year the percentage increase is higher. So we'll see a few more examples.